Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about how we can change the CSS of an element using jQuery. So there's a function in jQuery, in the jQuery library called .css that allows you to change the CSS of an element. And here's an example of it. So we use a selector, and in this case, we're targeting the target one ID, and we're adding the CSS color property with the value of blue. So the first parameter is the property, and the second parameter is the value. And we just add we have to add quotations to it. So for this exercise, they want us to delete your jQuery selectors. So we first delete it, and we make sure that this ready function is still intact. And then we want to select target one and change the color to red. So we can use the same code, but change it. And we see that's blue, but we want red. And now it's red. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.